Hey there, photography enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: photo editing tools that can take your images to the next level. Whether you're a professional photographer or an aspiring Instagram influencer, having the right editing tools is essential. So, let us dive right in. Starting off our list, we have Pixlr.com. Pixlr is a powerful online photo editor that offers a wide range of features and tools. With its user-friendly interface and extensive editing options, you can enhance your images, apply filters, adjust colors, and even add creative overlays. It's a versatile tool suitable for both beginners and advanced users. Next up, we have Fotor.com. Fotor is a comprehensive editing tool that combines powerful editing capabilities with stunning effects and filters. Whether you want to retouch portraits, create beautiful collages, or add artistic touches to your photos, Fotor has got you covered. It also offers additional features like batch processing and HDR effects. Moving on, we have Photopea.com. Photopea is a web-based image editor that closely resembles professional editing software like Adobe Photoshop. It supports a wide range of file formats and provides advanced editing tools such as layers, masks, and brushes. If you're looking for a free alternative to Photoshop, Photopea is worth checking out. Now, let us talk about Pixlr.com. Pixlr is a popular mobile photo editing app that offers a plethora of creative options. From applying filters and effects to adding stickers, text, and overlays, Pixlr allows you to unleash your artistic side. It also provides a community where you can share your edited photos and discover inspiring content from other users. Next on our list is Prisma.com. Prisma takes a unique approach to photo editing by transforming your images into stunning artworks inspired by famous artists and styles. Using artificial intelligence, Prisma can turn your ordinary photos into masterpieces that resemble the works of Van Gogh, Picasso, and more. It's a fantastic tool for adding a touch of artistic flair to your images. Moving forward, we have Bifunky.com. Bifunky is a user-friendly editing tool that offers a range of features to enhance your photos. With its intuitive interface and customizable templates, you can quickly retouch portraits, create stunning collages, and add various effects. Bifunky also provides a convenient graphic design platform for creating social media posts and banners. Last but not least, we have Skylum.com. Skylum offers a collection of powerful photo editing software, including Lumina and Aurora HDR. These tools are perfect for professional photographers who want to take their editing skills to new heights. With advanced features like AI-powered enhancements, intelligent filters, and precise control over adjustments, Skylum software empowers photographers to achieve breathtaking. That wraps up our list of top photo editing tools. Remember, each of these tools has its unique features and strengths. So I encourage you to explore them further and find the one that best suits your editing needs. Whether you're a beginner or a professional, these tools will help you transform your photos and unleash your creativity. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Happy editing!